Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you another quick and simple wall decor DIY project. Let's get started. The first item I use in today's project is a plastic bowl from Dollar Tree. As you can see in the video, this plastic bowl is considered as medium size with top opening of 6 inches in diameter. And each set includes 4 bowls and has different colors as well. As you can see in the video, this bowl is not flat. It's kind of a semi-spherical shape. I really like that. It's gonna look beautiful if we hang them on the wall. The second item I used in this project is the bamboo stick from Dollar Tree as well. These bamboo sticks are pretty long, about 32 inches. Initially, I wanted to use those bamboo sticks to construct a base so I can mount those bowls later on. But this needs accurate measurement and is not flexible if you want to play with different design patterns. So I decided to do individual panel instead. Basically, I used 2 bamboo sticks to make a wider new stick so I can glue those bowls onto this new stick. For this step, I used the transparent tape and hot glue gun. They both worked pretty well. Next step is to glue bowls onto the new stick. There are 2 options you can consider for this step. You can do openings on the top or the base on the top. I decided to do the base on the top because I really like to have the semi-spherical shape exposed. For this step, I used both X6000 and hot glue gun. I also suggest using a lot of glues in this step to make sure the structure is stable. As you can see in the video, I can glue 5 bowls onto each stick. When it is dry, I reapplied glues from the back to ensure those bowls are firmly attached onto the stick. As you can see in the video, as long as you use sufficient amount of glue, those structures turn out pretty stable. Those bowls are not falling off even when I'm shaking them. That's great! For this design, I prepared 6 panels, but you can decide how many panels you want to do depending on the size you want. Then I spray painted them in gold color. I also used a heavy-duty scissor to trim off the extra part of the stick. It's pretty easy to do. I also attached some craft mirror on the top to give extra feature for this design. This is how individual panel looks. It's pretty elegant, right? As I mentioned before, by doing individual panel, you actually can play with different pattern depending on the size you want. Now let's check out how they're gonna look if we hang them on the wall. Wow, it's definitely beautiful. I love it. This is gonna be a large wall decor if I'm using more than 5 panels. It will definitely stand out in your hallway. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on today's DIY project. If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here. If you also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe or give me a thumb up. I will be super excited about that. I really appreciate you guys' support. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.